Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to stake Fuse tokens and explain how much you can earn by staking Fuse. So let's start. First of all, we will need to go to a website called fuseswap.com. Once you get there, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet. As you can see, it looks similar to Uniswap, so all you have to do is click on Connect Wallet in the right top corner, and as soon as you do this, it will connect your MetaMask with FuseSwap. Once you do this, from the tabs over here, you need to choose Bridge, because first thing we will have to do is to send our Fuse tokens from Ethereum mainnet to Fuse network, and we will do this using this bridge. So let's click on Bridge. Next you need to click over here and choose which token you want to send, so you need to find Fuse on the list, click on it, and then over here you need to type in amount, or you can just click max if you want to send all of the tokens. Once you do this, you need to hit approve Fuse and then confirm the transactions. This may take a few seconds or few minutes to approve our Fuse tokens, and once it's done, transfer button that we see below will be activated and we will be able to click on it. As you can see, my transaction was just confirmed and transfer is activated, so let's click on transfer now. And after we click on transfer, we need to confirm the transactions in MetaMask window by clicking confirm down here. And after two confirmations, our tokens should be transferred to Fuse network. Next thing we need to do is to add Fuse network to our MetaMask. In order to do that, let's click on our MetaMask icon over here, then move our mouse to those three dots, click on it and choose Expand View. Once we do this, MetaMask will open in a separate tab and it will be easier for us to add Fuse network to MetaMask. So right now you need to click up here on this icon over here and then scroll down until you see Custom RPC and click on it. This will allow us to add Fuse network to our MetaMask, so we have to fill all those fields over here. You should fill them as you can see on the screen right now. Network name should be Fuse network, then new RPC should be rpc.fuse.io, chain ID 0x7a, currency symbol Fuse, and block explorer explorer.fuse.io. Once everything is filled up, we click Save. And after you click Save, the network should be automatically changed to Fuse network up here. If it didn't change, all you have to do is click there and then change the network to Fuse network. And of course, by clicking over here, you can also easily change between Fuse network and Ethereum mainnet. So if you want to go back to Ethereum, you just click on Ethereum. If you want to go to Fuse network, you click on Fuse network. And as you can see, my balance over here shows 21,000 because I just sent 20,000 over here. And now I'm going to show you how to stake Fuse tokens and how much we can earn by doing that. In order to stake Fuse, we need to go to a website called staking.fuse.io. You will find a link to this website in the description of this video, so all you have to do is click on it and you will be automatically taken to this website. Once you get here, in the right top corner, you will see Connect Wallet button. So all you need to do is click on it and then connect your MetaMask account. Click on the MetaMask, click Next, and then Connect. And right now our wallet should be already connected to Staking Fuse.io. If it isn't, make sure to refresh the page, and once you refresh the page, your wallet address should be visible in the right top corner. And then over here we have our balance, how much are we staking, and total stake amount. And down here we have a list of validators, so all we need to do is to choose one of those validators and stake with it. When we are choosing validator, very important thing is to choose the one that has the highest number of uptime, so you should probably choose something with 99.9 or 99.8%. And once you choose which one you want to stake with, on the right side of the validator you can see stake button, so just click on it. And once you click on it, the name of the validator should be visible over here. And then below we can type in the amount of Fuse that we want to stake. Make sure you leave some Fuse on your wallet, don't stake everything because you may need some Fuse to cover gas fees. So let's say I'm going to type in 10,000 here. Then down here we will see projected rewards after a year. So as you can see, for staking 10,000 I can earn 5,800. So that's around 58%. So once you type in the amount of fuse you want to stake, all you need to do is click on the stake button below. And after you do this, you need to confirm the transaction in MetaMask. So right now we need to wait for the confirmation of our staking transaction. And as soon as it happens, as you can see over here, it shows how much are we staking at the moment. And then over here it shows next to the validator how much are we staking in this particular validator. So as you can see, I'm staking right now with MantraDAO, but of course you can separate your Fuse tokens into separate validators. So let's say I would like to stake with Fusible, so I hit on the stake button here, and let's say I'm going to stake 11,000 with Fusible, and then I hit stake, confirm MetaMask transaction, wait for a few seconds for the transaction to be confirmed, and then you should see that right now I'm staking 21,000 Fuse, 11,000 at Fusible and 10,000 at MantraDAO. So as you can see, in this easy way you can earn Fuse tokens by staking it, and you can earn around 58% at the moment, so I think this is a huge return of investment. That would be it for today. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to stake your Fuse tokens, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.